Delano, you like Microsoft, Alphabet, got a hold on Meta. Which do you like better, Microsoft or Alphabet?
With that one, I think I would actually probably go with Microsoft. They're both, ones that I would be buying or holding this time. As you mentioned, there's just a lot of news and earnings that we're going to see next week. I think the big thing investors will be watching is the guidance going forward. With Microsoft, you have scale efficiencies. If you look at how the shift of their revenue makeup is going, 65% going towards the cloud-based revenue, that's going to be a big, operating profit and potentially, operating margin juice for them. And so on that side, I really do, like the things that I'm seeing as an investor standpoint from Microsoft.
Yeah, I mean, we've spent so much time talking about AI and who's better positioned for this AI arms race. Is that actually going to matter in the results we get from Microsoft and Alphabet next week?
Near term, I don't think so. Near term, there's still so much as far as, the actual products that are going to be used when it comes to AI. I think obviously all of these companies are making big bets in this area, but they're longer term bets. And I think from my standpoint, if you take it from a high level view right now with the information we have, I actually like Google kind of winning that race overall. I think just from the amount of data they collect, they're going to be well positioned to kind of win that race at long term in my mind. But, I think that none of that matters right now in the short term. Materially, I think it'll be longer term bets that these companies are making, but it will play a big part in the long term.
Well, if that's true, then Microsoft's OpenAI investment isn't worth what some people think and maybe was for naught. I mean, can you still like Microsoft and think they're not going to win in AI?
100%. I think there's going to be, more multiple players that do well in the AI space. I think Google comes out as the ultimate winner overall, but I think multiple players will do well. And obviously, you mentioned what was around $10 billion in the OpenAI investment, so they made a big first splash. And I think that's, the tool so far is great. But, I think there will be multiple players that win in this space overall. And the AI space is really, obviously being talked about and hot. I think Google ultimately will win long term just with the amount of data that they hold.
You have a hold on Meta. We've seen a big rally in that name, and actually the market cap of Meta has now surpassed this week that of Tesla, given the sell-off we've seen on earnings for that name. Why? Why are you holding?
Just as you mentioned, there's been a big jump in Meta, and I think if you have that stock, and obviously you've seen the rise of the stock year to date, one thing that you have to be watching is investors, the daily average users and the monthly average users, which rose slightly last quarter. So I'm curious to see where it heads this quarter. I think they'll have a little bit of a slight rise on average users. But the landscape isn't as strong, right? I think the ad revenue, ad spend has been cut back. And so their core business obviously being so heavily focused and concentrated on that, as opposed to some of these other names, which are a little bit more differentiated. This one is one I'd be holding because there could be, some sort of pullback in, earnings and revenue, especially on the top line, aren't as strong. But they've been doing a lot of things to be more efficient on the cost side, right? We've seen a lot of cuts. They're trying to look at it. There are a lot of cost efficiencies and different things with CapEx. So that's an area where investors can take a little bit of solace. But overall, I think that revenue number is going to be one to watch.
Okay. Delano, Saporu, thanks for teeing that up for us.